We just took a Uber from San Pancho to the town of Punta de Mita here, and it was about 20 to 30 minutes, and we paid $14 US to get here. And we're staying at a place called Onda Surf Hotel, and it's pretty unique because it's made out of different shipping containers. As you can see, they've stacked different containers on top of each other. And so each one of these containers is its own room with AC, a bathroom, and there's a really interesting pool with a Lucha Libre mask. And so this is the shipping container we're staying in. This is the door. And you have a little sitting chair area, place to put your things, AC, which is highly needed here in Punta de Mita. And the bed looks like a double bed, not a queen. It never said it was a queen, but it's perfect for two people. More places to hang things, and there's a window along the top. And this main door lets a lot of light in, which is really needed in a shipping container conversion. And here is the bathroom and the shower. And it's completely contained off. A lot of hotels in Mexico don't have a wall fully to the roof, blocking off the bathroom. But overall, this is really nice. We paid $75 a night for this place, and it's one of the cheaper places in Punta de Mita. Punta de Mita is probably one of the most expensive places to stay in Mexico on the West Coast. And yeah, this is one of the cheaper options for staying here.
I said there's two ways to get into town, and this is like more central town, and the other one's like near the OXXO where the bus station is. So yeah, this is kind of cool because you're like more amongst the locals a little bit, and there's like smaller hostels and things on this side, but the town's pretty small. And yeah, we're not far from the town square. It's a really tiny town square. And then just down the road is the beach.
Came to this place called El Cafecito de Mita, and we just got normal food. I got a caprese sandwich, and Melina has a quinoa bowl.
Healthy.
And a green juice.
Just a little quick thing, and then when the other restaurants open, we'll try them out in the middle of the day.
So we've come to a beach called Stinkies, or the surf spot's known as Stinkies, and it's towards the south side of Punta de Mita. And there's about 24 people at the surf spot, and you can see boats behind, and there's like a rock jetty that goes out, and it looks really shallow here. You could probably walk out pretty far. There's dogs and kids and families playing on this beach. So it's the next day, and we came to a beach called Lancha, and there's a better surf here. But to get here, we have to first hike through a little jungle with the board to get to the beach. It doesn't take too long. I've done this, we've both done this before during rainy season, and you actually have to go through some creeks. And there is one crocodile we've seen in here. It's crocodile habitat. But I don't think we actually have to tread through water now because it's not the rainy season right now. It's the middle of May, and they've put down some logs to make the path a little easier when it is rainy. And you can see a creek over there, so there's still water there. Probably don't want to hang out on the edge of that creek. And so this morning we got amazing birria at a local spot a few blocks in from the beach. It was just a lady making birria tacos on her front porch. Finally made it. That took only 7-8 minutes. Little shade spot. Tiny little waves, 1 to 2 feet.
But they have some steep, like, pocket faces, so shortboard still works really well here. Which is fun. So, yeah. The wind will go away. Oh, that's a beautiful place.
You can see the Marianas Islands out there. Probably hard on this camera to see it, but popular islands to go on a tour to. This beach does remind me of the secret beach between Sayulita and San Pancho, but with more people and less mountains in the back. But it definitely has a jungle vibe with animals. It feels wild. But a really good sunset here.